The holidays are a great time of year to look at the decor around your house and be creative with how you can switch it out to really play up your Christmas decoration. In this episode, I'm going to show you how to make a stocking holder when you don't have a fireplace without spending a ton of money. After measuring how big we needed our sign to be to fit all 5 stockings, we went to Home Depot and had them cut down these 1x1 boards. This particular sign is going to be 42 inches wide and 2 feet tall. After getting the boards cut, we noticed that the back side of the board was more rustic looking than the front. So we went ahead and skipped the sanding process, and we are just putting a coat of white paint over the rustic side so it'll match the rest of the decor in my home. Once the boards are painted and dried, it's time to put them in the order that you want them in and then attach them. To secure your boards, find 3 brace pieces and screw them in the back. So we decided that we wanted our stocking holder to say "Oh Holy Night," and we want the letters to have 2 different effects on the sign. I did send this to a office supply store to be printed on a poster size paper, so we can go ahead and transfer it from the paper onto our sign. I'm not good at hand lettering, and so this is a great alternative to get that sign, that hand-painted sign look without having to have the creative gene in your body to make those letters. In order to make sure the sign is spaced correctly, we want to go ahead and lay all of our letters onto the sign to make sure we have the perfect fit. We've cut out our mirrored imaged letters, and it's time to transfer them onto our sign. So this technique is really neat. We need a little bit of Mod Podge. We're going to quickly put it over the letters. Make sure you get a good amount and secure it to our board. This acts like glue, and it helps to transfer the letter onto the board. You want to make sure that you apply a lot of pressure and make sure that it is completely pressed down onto your board. So while the Mod Podge is drying, we are going to go ahead and paint these letters with some charcoal chalk paint. Okay, now it's time to remove the backing from the Mod Podge letters. So I'm going to use a rough rag or towel, and I'm gonna soak it in water. The idea is to get the paper to come off of the board, leaving just the letter behind. We are going to use E6000 to secure the letters onto the board. Once you've secured your letters with the E6000, you want to let it dry for at least 24 hours. Once it's dry, it's time to measure the location for the Christmas bulbs that are going to make the marquee light happen on your sign. Using a 1/2-inch drill bit, we're going to go ahead and drill holes in the letters where we've marked them so we can place our lights into the letters. Now all the holes are drilled, so we will go ahead and string our lights through the holes by putting them in underneath the sign. Last, we attached our hooks and hung our stockings. I love our new stocking holder so much. I can't wait for our girls to see it. Thank you for watching this episode. Don't forget to come back next week to see what we do with a pool noodle and a fishbowl on my front porch.